morning guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Today what I have for you is I'm going to be creating a cat eye design. It's going to be a quick and simple one for you, so let's just go ahead and get started with the video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be creating it on here, on this tip here, and I'm going to go in with a first coat of this black gel polish. I'm going to go ahead and cure this for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply a second layer of this nail polish and cure that, and then I'll be back to show you the next step. Okay, so the polish is now dry, and I'm going to be wiping off that tacky layer. So I'm going to take a little bit of alcohol in this napkin here, and I'm wiping off the tacky layer. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my stamping nail design that I have chosen, and I'm just going to go in with these hearts here. I'm using this stamping polish, and it's a silver one, so I'm just going to go in and apply that, scrape off the excess, and then go in with my stamper here. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply, I hope you guys can see that, my nail design on this nail here. Okay, so now that my stamping nail design is on my nail, I'm going to go in with a top coat because I want to protect this design here. And then it's just a very thin layer of top coat, and I'm going to cure this for 30 seconds, okay? And then I'll be back. We're applying the polish, the cat eye polish, on the whole nail, okay? And make sure that you apply plenty of it to cover up the whole nail here. We're going to go ahead and take our magnet, and we're going to go around it. And at this point, I guess you can do the cat eye design as you wish, but what I want to do is I just want to go around it to create a border of that black polish there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go straight up to expose the design that I have created. Alright, so that's what I have right now, and I'm going to go ahead and cure that. I hope that you guys can actually see that. I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. Okay, so we're back, and then this nail is all done. I'm just going to go ahead and add a top coat and cure it, and then that would be it. I hope that you guys can actually see the effect. Okay. And you know what, I'm just going to go ahead and show you another quick design since I already have this cat eye polish out. I'm going to go ahead and take, again, just this tip here. I have 2 coats of the black nail polish, and I'm going to be applying here quickly my cat eye polish, and I'm going to be applying it on the whole nail. And again, make sure you apply plenty of this. I'm going to go in with my magnet here and start moving that around to wherever, just placing this wherever it is that I want to create this effect. So I'm just going to push it in. I hope that you guys can see that. Okay, so now that I have created this line here, okay, I'm going to go ahead and cure this for 30 seconds, and then I'll be back and show you the rest of the design. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a top coat. I'm only going to apply that top coat on that diagonal line. I'm going to try to make this very, very even. Okay, so I'm just applying it on that area there. And guess what? I'm going to go in with some bubbles. Alright, so this is just with my top coat, but this time I'm not going to go on top of the bubbles. I'm just going to go on the sides here just to give it an extra shine and leave the bubbles just the way they are. So then I'm just top coating. I'm just putting top coat on the sides of this nail here and leaving those bubbles almost like a matte finish, you want to say. All right, so then again, you can add on to this design or leave it as is. I'm just going to go ahead and leave it as is, but yeah, I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds and I'm going to come back and show you the two finished products, okay? Okay guys, so then these are the two nail designs that I wanted to show you today. I hope that you guys like them. If you do, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And then yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.